Good day, everyone. For my part, I will present the executive summary, introduction, and literature review of our report entitled Structure of the Kidney and of the Nephron. To begin with, the executive summary provides an overview of our report. This report focuses on the structure and function of the kidney, particularly its macrostructures and microscopic unit called the nephron. It explains how the kidney plays a vital role in filtering blood, balancing electrolytes, and maintaining fluid balance in the body. In addition, the report highlights that the kidney is not just a simple organ, but a highly specialized and efficient system. It is capable of processing large amounts of blood while selectively reabsorbing essential nutrients needed by the body. Overall, this summary emphasizes the importance of the kidney in maintaining homeostasis, or the stable internal environment necessary for survival. Now, let's move on to the introduction. The kidneys are described as high-performance organs because they act as the body's main filtration and purification system. Every day, they filter approximately 180 liters of blood, removing waste products while preserving important substances like water and nutrients. The main purpose of this report is to explain the anatomy of the kidney and the function of the nephron, in order to better understand how the body removes waste through urine formation. There are also key terms that are important in this discussion. Homeostasis, which refers to the body's ability to maintain a stable internal condition. Filtrate, the fluid that is separated from the blood during the filtration process. Understanding these concepts help us see how the kidneys maintain balance inside the body despite constant changes in our environment. Next is the literature review or background of our report. So according to John E. Hole and Michael E. Hole, 2021, the kidneys receive about 20% to 25% of the heart's total output, showing how important they are in filtering blood continuously. Meanwhile, Elaine in Marev and Katja Horn 2025 explained that the kidney is not just a filter. It also acts as a regulatory organ, helping control blood pressure and even stimulating red blood cell production. In addition, Susan Standring, 2021, identifies the nephron as the main functional unit of the kidney. This structure is responsible for separating waste from useful substances, and it has a very large surface area to make the process efficient. Finally, D. Onglaub Silverthorne 2023 emphasized that the health of the kidney structure is closely related to cardiovascular stability. Any damage to the kidney can lead to serious fluid imbalances in the body. Overall, these studies support the idea that the kidney is a complex, multifunctional organ, essential not only for waste removal but also for maintaining overall body balance. And that concludes my part. I will now pass the discussion to the next presenter for the methodology, results, and analysis.
Good day, ma'am. Today I'm going to discuss to you my topic, which is all about structure of the kidney and of the nephron. So I am tasked to discuss the second page of our report. So this report was developed through secondary research of peer-reviewed medical textbook and physiological journals. A comparative analysis was performed to link microscopic renal regions to their specific microscopic functions. So this approach ensures an academic overview that aligns with established medical consensus regarding renal anatomy, and the mechanics of the nephrons. So the investigation reveals that the kidney is organized into three distinct microscopic regions that act as a plumbing of the organ. So the outer renal cortex hosts the initial filtration units, while the inner renal medulla contains the renal pyramids which are responsible for concentrating urine. So at the center lies the renal pelvis, a funnel-like basin that collects the final product for transport to bladder. On a microscopic level, the nephrons serve as the functional engine. It begins at the renal corpuscle or comprising the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, where high blood pressure drives the creation of filtrate. This fluid then travels through a series of specialized segments, the proximal tubule where nutrients are reclaimed, the loop of Henle where a salt gradient is established, and distal tubule and collecting duct where the final volume of urine is determined. The finding demonstrate that the kidney structure is inextricably linked to its function. The high pressure environment of glomerulus is a mechanical necessity for filtration. Without this anatomical arrangement, the body would be unable to force waste product across cellular membranes. Furthermore, the hairpin shape of the loop of Fennel is critical evolutionary adaptation by plunging deep into medulla. It creates a concentration gradient that allows humans to survive on land by conserving water and producing highly concentrated urine. This countercurrent mechanism is prime example of how specific tissue geometry allows complex chemical process. In conclusion, the kidney's sophisticated arrangement of layers and tubules allows it to act as the body's master chemist. From protective outer cortex to the intricate tubular network of the nephron, every structure is optimized for the preservation of life-sustaining fluid and the removal of toxins. It is concluded that the structural integrity of this tissue is paramount for health because filtration membranes are so delicate they remain highly susceptible to damage from systematic condition like hypertension. Understanding this anatomy is the first step in recognizing the kidney's role as the ultimate guardian of homeostasis. And that's all. Thank you.